To be able to read and interpret algebraic expressions, we need to be clear on how we model multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. We have this expression 2x minus 5. To interpret this, we have to think of this as two groups of some unknown quantity x, and then take away 5 ones. So it's very important that we are clear on our model for times and divide. It is groups. So multiplication and division are groups. Or division, case of divisions, talking about regrouping things. To state these in words then, we have 2x plus 8. So we can say 2 times x plus 8, but we can always visualize this as two groups of x plus 8. Here we have 9 minus 6a equals negative 9. So we have 9 ones. Take away. We can also use minus. 6 groups of a equals negative 9 ones. Here we have two groups of, or 2 times m. Take away, or minus, 7 groups of n, plus or add 10 ones. Okay, so we have different quantities here. We have m's, n's, and ones. Here we have ones, a's, and ones. So of these three expressions, which are variables and which are unknowns? Here we have 2x plus 8. So an unknown would be something that we could solve for. Here we cannot solve for x. So in example 1, that is a variable. In example 2, this is an equation. We can solve this equation. So example 2, x is an unknown. And we can actually solve for x. Here, if we solve for x, I can say that I can add 9s to both sides. That means I get 18 ones over here. Minus 6 a's equals 0. So I'm going to add 9 here, add 9 here. This becomes 0. This becomes 18. And I keep the equation balanced, so then I can subtract 6 a's from both sides. That means, add 6 a's to both sides. That will get rid of the minus 6a here and make it 6a on this side. And to undo the multiplication by 6, I can divide both sides by 6, and then I end up with 3 equals a. So if I substitute 3 into here, 9 minus 3 times 6 is 18. 9 minus 18 gives me negative 9. Negative 9 balances. So in this case, we can actually solve for x. So x is an unknown. And it happens that x is equal to 3. And this is something that maybe we don't need to be able to do right now, but this is something that we're going to learn how to do, is to solve for these unknowns. For example 3, m and n cannot be solved for, so they are variables.